If your mornings are not what they used to be, and deep down you know exactly what I mean, then listen closely. Imagine starting every day with the same cup of coffee you already drink, but turning it into something that helps circulation, boosts energy, and restores the reliability you used to take for granted. I am Dr. Masha, urologist and men's health expert, and I have spent years helping men restore stamina, confidence, and performance. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Here's the truth. The fix is not always in the medicine cabinet. Very often, it starts in the kitchen. Today, I'll show you exactly what to add to your morning coffee so it becomes more than a wake-up drink. It becomes a small daily habit that supports blood flow, steady energy, and overall performance. Everything I share has a clear physiological basis and practical real-world use. This is not magic, it's common sense optimization. Coffee on its own helps with alertness and circulation, but plain caffeine is a spike and crash. After 50, you need more than a jolt. Hormones shift, vessels stiffen, stress piles up, and quick caffeine is like patching a leak instead of fixing the pipe. We're going to transform your routine into fuel that powers you all day. Think of your body like a classic high-performance engine. It deserves premium fuel, not just whatever's handy. The best part? These upgrades are simple, affordable, and found in any grocery store. First is cinnamon. Start with a 1/4 teaspoon. Ideally Ceylon cinnamon since it's gentler for daily use. Cinnamon keeps blood sugar steady, protecting tiny arteries that feed erectile tissue and supporting consistent energy. It also adds warmth and a familiar spice your taste buds already know. Taken daily, most men notice smoother energy and less mid-morning snacking. Second is unsweetened cocoa powder, not cocoa mix. Not hot chocolate, but real dark cocoa. Stir in a teaspoon. Cocoa is packed with flavonols that boost nitric oxide, the body's signal to relax and open blood vessels. That pathway makes blood move more easily where you need it. Cocoa also delivers magnesium, which supports muscles, testosterone, and even mood. Flavor-wise, it turns your coffee into a sugar-free mocha. Too bitter. Add stevia or monk fruit without spiking blood sugar. Third is maca powder. About a teaspoon does the job. Maca is an adaptogen, an Andean root used for centuries. Adaptogens don't force a stimulant effect. They help balance your stress response. Maca isn't a drug or hormone replacement. It gently nudges the brain's centers for mood, energy, and desire. Most men notice not an instant surge, but steadier drive and clearer thinking after 2 to 3 weeks. Yellow maca is the easiest flavor to start with. Over time, men report stronger workouts, more spark, and a return of that familiar self. Fourth is coconut oil, or MCT oil. Begin with half a teaspoon and build to 1. Blend it into hot coffee so it emulsifies. Don't just stir, or it will float. Fats are raw material for hormones, and MCTs convert quickly into energy. Adding it can smooth caffeine's curve so you get focus without jitters and energy without the 10 a.m. crash. If you have stomach sensitivity or gallbladder concerns, go slower. Prefer neutral flavor? MCT oil is an option. Fifth is ginger. Fresh grated ginger or a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger adds warmth and circulation support. It also helps manage everyday inflammation. Fresh ginger brings lively oils that wake you up right away. Powdered ginger is convenient and concentrated. Sensitive stomach. Start smaller and take with food. If you take blood thinners or have bleeding issues, check with your doctor before using ginger regularly. Keep this practically. Don't need a lab at home. Start with 1 addition for a week. Cinnamon is the easiest entry. If that works, add cocoa in week 2. In week 3, try maca. In week 4, experiment with coconut oil or ginger. Don't dump 5 things in your mug at once. You're building a lasting habit. Here's a simple system for busy mornings. Keep a jar by your coffee maker with cinnamon and cocoa mixed. 1 spoonful, pour, stir. Done. If you like maca, keep that jar nearby. Want creaminess? A milk frother blends coconut oil into a latte-like foam. For ginger, drop a thin slice in your mug before pouring. On weekends, blend coffee with coconut oil, cinnamon, cocoa, and ginger for a creamy, cafe-style upgrade that actually supports circulation and energy. Now, guardrails, don't overload. Your cut more is not better. Avoid sugary versions like cocoa mix or cinnamon sugar, which cancel the benefits. And don't expect this to replace medical care. If you have diabetes, heart disease, kidney problems, depression, or serious conditions, stay in touch with your doctor. This is support, not a cure. Give it a few weeks. Your body has decades of habits to adjust. Here's a 30-day plan. Week 1. Add cinnamon. Notice energy and appetite. Week 2. Add cocoa and track how you feel at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Week 3. Add maca 3 mornings and monitor focus, mood, and workouts. Week 4. Try coconut oil or ginger. If your stomach protests, scale back and build slowly. Use your phone's notes or a sticky on the fridge to rate daily energy from 1 to 10 and jot how your mornings feel. Here's what men usually notice after a month. Smoother energy, fewer jitters, less snacking, clearer thinking, stronger workouts, and more reliable mornings. No dramage, just a body that acts a little more like it used to. A few reminders. If you're on blood thinners, have liver disease, high blood pressure, or multiple meds, check with your doctor before adding these daily. If you have reflux, ginger may irritate you. Try cinnamon and cocoa first. If you're sensitive to fat in the morning, start with less coconut oil or use MCT instead and blend well. Tomorrow morning, when you brew your coffee, remember this. You have the power to upgrade your day with 1 spoon. Your body is still capable of excellent performance. Sometimes it just needs the right fuel. Start with 1 addition a week, then layer the next. If you already add something, share it. If you try these, come back and tell us what changed. You might inspire another man to take his first step. If this was helpful, subscribe for more practical men's health tips. No hype, no shame, just small habits that move the needle. Share this with a buddy who needs a simple win. Small changes add up. Thank you for watching.